Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing VPN Super Unlimited Proxy and giving it permission to add a VPN profile to your iPhone. Tap Accept when the system asks, then install the profile. This creates the VPN configuration. Once done, open the VPN app and connect to a nearby server or the country you need. Make sure the VPN icon appears at the top status bar. This step routes your internet traffic, so Capcut sees the new IP address and content availability. Next, configure both the VPN and iPhone so Capcut uses that connection reliably. In the VPN app, choose a server region that unlocks the Capcut features you want, then connect. Make sure Capcut has background app refresh and mobile data access. Go to Settings, right arrow Capcut to verify. If you need persistent routing, toggle the Connect on Demand or Always On options in VPN settings, only if you understand the effects. Once connected and permissions are set, launch Capcut and test downloading or accessing region content. Finish by testing Capcut. Try downloading a regional asset or opening the template library while VPN is active. If content remains blocked, sign out of Capcut and sign back in, then reconnect the VPN. Should issues continue, restart your iPhone, switch to a different VPN server, and ensure both VPN app and Capcut are updated. If nothing works, clear Capcut cache or reinstall it. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure the VPN app has an active, stable connection. Intermittent VPN drops are the most common cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.